What is up, everyone? How are you doing? This is Braden with South Valley Photo, as you already know. Holy crap, today is probably going to be the most exciting video I think I've ever going to record, ever. So like after this, if you decide to unsubscribe, I totally understand. But during this video, please subscribe. Guys, this is exciting. If you've been following me on Instagram, you already know that I've been searching for my dream car for quite a few months. Looked at a few different options. In fact, sold my Maserati about 2 months ago, and we finally found it. We purchased it, and today we are taking delivery of my brand new supercar. I'm not gonna tell you guys yet. I wanna leave you guys on some suspense, so stay tuned for later in the video, but this is super exciting. Let's talk about what it took to get here first. All right, guys, so here's the deal. Quite a few years ago, I saw my first R8 in person downtown Salt Lake. At the time, I was just driving a normal white Cobalt, didn't have anything cool, but at that moment, I made a promise to myself that before 25, I would achieve certain goals. I didn't know necessarily the path that I would need to take to get there. I wasn't completely sure how I was gonna do it, but I knew by before I was 25 that I would get my first supercar. And look where we're at now. I turned 25 in 2 days from today. And no, I'm not trying to put a birthday plug in there or anything crazy like that. But what I'm trying to say is I achieved my goal, and it took a lot of hard work. We're talking years of trying to master photography, building clients, perfecting my career in sales, and trying to continue to grow, which I'm still trying to do, and a bunch of other things to get to this point. So what I'm trying to do by telling you guys all this is no flex by any means. This is more just saying it's possible. So don't limit yourself before you even tried. Because in all honesty, if you would have told me I'd be in the position I'm in today with a super cool and quick Mustang, at least in my opinion, a supercar, and owning my own home, I would have totally laughed at you. I was one of those guys 5 years ago that would laughed at it, said that I wanted to do it but wasn't sure, it was all talk, but I made it happen, and here we are. Okay, so I know you guys are excited at this point to see the car, so let's go to the morning where we took it in for a PPI, pre-purchase inspection for those who don't know, and negotiated some deals to get the car. Let's go. What's up, guys? All right, so I'm not good at documenting things. I need to work on my documentation skills for quite a few reasons. Now, today may or may not be a good day. We'll see how it goes. But I have the opportunity to buy my dream car, and I'm speechless, honestly. I cannot believe that I have this opportunity. So, yeah, I'm just sitting here in the parking lot waiting for them. We're gonna go get a just pre-purchase inspection done, make sure the car's all good, and if we can work out a deal and everything looks good, I may be driving home my dream car today, guys. I'm so excited. So stay tuned. So yeah, I'm too excited. Anyway, let's just go. All right, guys. Well, we just got the PPI done. There's a couple small things that need attention, but I'm hoping we can make a deal. I just gave him an offer. He's gonna consult with a couple of people, and yeah, I am super nervous. This car literally has everything done I wanted to it. I mean, we're talking all the carbon fiber. It's got the coils that I wanted. I mean, literally everything that I was looking at this thing to do just has a couple small things that need attention. So if we can work out a deal, which I think we can, I think I might have a car, but we'll see. I'm so nervous, guys. This is crazy. Oh, I am just sitting here like my heart is beating. Again, this is an opportunity I didn't think I was gonna have, but obviously it's a big purchase and I wanna make sure I do it right. So, if you could see my heart right now, it is pounding. All right, guys, so I hope you enjoyed that part of the video. You got to kind of see what happened the day we took it in to get a PPI. For those who don't know, again, PPI is pre-purchase inspection. I think for any used car, it's a perfect thing to do, just because you don't know what you're getting into. And like I've always said, when buying used cars, you're buying someone else's problems. But everything checked out. There's one or two things that really need attention to and a little bit of cosmetic work, but we worked out a deal, obviously, or else you would not be seeing this video right now. So without further ado, I want to show you guys the car. But first off, in order to make sure that I do this video justice and do the people who got me to this point justice, I just want to do some shout outs, because in all honesty, I can say I did this on my own, which is true to an extent, but ultimately at the end of the day, it wouldn't have been, if it wouldn't have been for those individuals in my life, I don't know where I would be. So first off, shout out to my parents, because without them, I would be lost and I wouldn't be where I'm at. They've supported me with everything, not including just photography, but all the crazy ventures I decided to do. And so thank you to both of you. I love you, Mom and Dad. I know it's cheesy, but it needs to be said. So thank you guys. And then other than that, there are so many other people that I want to say thank you to, because without those people, this wouldn't have been possible. And to not make this video long, I want to make it as short as possible. You guys know who you are. So thank you so much for not only inspiring me and pushing me to be a better person and a better businessman and a better husband. I just want to say thank you, because again, without any of you, this wouldn't have been possible. Guys, my heart is beating. I never thought this opportunity would be possible before I'm 25. It was a goal. We set out to complete it or achieve it, whatever you want to call it, but we're here. So without further ado, let's go look at the car, guys. Oh my gosh, it's behind this wall here, so let's go. Alright guys, so what did you think? Were you disappointed? Were you not disappointed? Honestly, I know it's the V8, but it's a gated manual. It has all the carbon fiber options. In fact, when I was looking at R8s, I was looking at stock R8s, but the thing is, that gets very expensive, and quite frankly, you have to kind of outweigh the costs to the benefits. But with this car, I got so lucky, because literally, everything that's on this vehicle is already done. It has BC coilovers, it has all the carbon fiber pieces, both interior and in the engine bay. It has the carbon fiber GT3 style hood. It's got, again, BC coilovers, I think I already said that. AWE exhaust, there are no mufflers, and it sounds mental, so crazy. It's gated, and yeah, so we still have a lot more to do with the car, and for that, you need to follow my other channel, Dirty Pipes. I know it's a weird name, but trust me, it's a lot of fun. You can see more about this build and when we review this car on that video. Other things about this car, it has the full radar detection, and both on the front rear bumpers, it's the integrated car system, so I don't have to have that weird thing hanging by the window. I just can't stop. I cannot believe it. This is so crazy. So let's take you guys for a ride, but let's get some exhaust first. Doesn't that sound mental? I personally love the sound of a V8 more than life itself. Let's go for a ride. Oh, just look at it. Guys, this car is literally insane, okay? It's gated V8 with, I think, 400 something horsepower for the year. We've got everything here. That light is on because it's on coilovers. But what do you guys think of the brown interior? Definitely interesting. Anyway, let's take our first spin. I know you guys have been anticipating it, so let's go. All right, before we go, I feel like I'm swerving you guys, but look at all this carbon fiber. Carbon fiber, carbon fiber, carbon fibre, all the carbon fiber options. Guys, I seriously can't believe that this is my car. Like, this does not feel real. And I know it's nothing crazy. This isn't some Aventador SVJ, but this is big for me, so I am beyond grateful. All right, so we don't have the best roads, but let's let her rip, Tater Chip. Guys, this is insane. Oh, this car is amazing. I've never owned anything like it. So I just want to say I'm super grateful because this is crazy. You're going to see more of this on the channel. We're going to be doing rallies. You're going to see it a ton on Dirty Pipes, so check that channel out. Thank you guys. I want to keep it short and simple, so I appreciate all of you. Thank you so much for your support, because again, without you guys, none of this would have been possible either. So from my heart to you, I love you guys. Thanks.
Good morning, guys and girls. Today is the morning after from the day I bought my dream car. Now, we just moved into this house, and I feel like when I open that garage door, I'm just gonna see boxes, because that's all it was. Literally 24 hours ago was just straight boxes. So fingers crossed it's still there. Let's oh. Oh my gosh, guys, I cannot explain how excited I am. Oh, literally, this feels like such a dream. Like, come on. Anyway, I'm super grateful. This was a dream of mine forever, and